See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you all had a wonderful weekend and didn't let the passing rain showers interrupt your plans, as they only lasted about an hour or so this afternoon, and it did turn into a very lovely evening, and it produced some very beautiful sunsets. We'll start with this sunset sent in by Angie, who works on our desk, and you can see those very tropical colors with a little bit of the breaks in the clouds right around sunset, helping to create these fantastic sunsets across Acadiana this evening. You can see on the lower side those beautiful colors, and we could continue to see more of these sunsets in the week ahead, as we're going to continue to be with the wet pattern. You can see the break in the rain we've had throughout much of the afternoon, even the clouds starting to thin out a little bit within the last several hours, but we are watching a few more showers pushing into some of the western portions of Acadiana. We'll take a closer look at those showers, even a few lightning bolts beginning to develop just offshore to the south of Cameron, but a decent line of some light to moderate showers extending from Lake Charles down to Cameron, and you can see slowly working off to the north and northeast, but we will keep the slight chance for some isolated showers with us through the overnight hours, and really the models are picking up on this. You can see around 4 a.m. that system out to the west, so I think it might be a little bit slow on this, but it does show a good possibility by tomorrow morning that we could have some scattered showers in and around Acadiana, so the possibility for some wet roadways tomorrow morning for your morning commute, so keep that in mind, and you can see we'll keep the rain chances with us throughout much of the morning. Our other model shows a very similar picture, dry through most of the night, but getting closer to the daybreak, scattered showers and storms developing. Western and southern portions of Acadiana will have the best chance to maybe be waking up to that passing shower, but I wouldn't rule out one or two here in Lafayette. Might get a break tomorrow afternoon, but I think the model might be underdoing this a little bit. Still, we'll keep a slight chance for some hit or miss showers with us tomorrow afternoon and even into the evening. We're just going to be stuck in this very moisture-ridden atmosphere, so we will have the chance for just scattered showers with us almost at any point during the day, not only on Monday, but also on Tuesdays. You can see the chance for those hit or miss showers even around lunchtime and then into the early afternoon. But there will be enough breaks in between, so neither day looks to be a washout. And even into our Wednesday, we're going to maybe have a little better rain chance as we're watching a frontal system that'll be dropping down, helping to get some of that shower activity really going. So I do think Wednesday looks to be the wettest of the next three if we're kind of looking that out, and maybe even into Thursday. Out in the Atlantic, things continue to be relatively active, but we're mainly looking at some weak systems. What's left of Tropical Depression 11, pretty much non-existent. It's fallen apart. It is now down to a tropical depression as KIRK is running into some of that dry air and wind shear, kind of loosening that system up. Subtropical storm Leslie, and then we have this other system that has a 40% chance of development in the next 5 days, but not expecting too much with that in the coming days. So we'll start with tropical depression KIRK, now down to 35-mile-an-hour winds. You can see it's not really looking too organized. It'll be racing off to the west at about 25 to 30 miles per hour, so it'll make its way quickly across the open Atlantic and head towards the Lesser Antilles Islands by about Thursday evening as a weak tropical storm with winds up to 40 miles per hour, and that should weaken as it moves into the Caribbean. So I'm not really expecting a whole lot from that in the coming days, but just something we'll keep an eye on. As for subtropical storm Leslie, not looking all that great, you can see, and it's going to stay over the open waters and continue to fizzle out by about Monday into Tuesday, so nothing with that system to really worry about here locally. But in the meantime, for the rest of our evening, it will be another warm night with cloudy skies, 75, but you do see 40% chance for those scattered showers and storms to maybe developing a little later on in the day. Heading off to school tomorrow morning, we'll go warm and sticky with a few passing clouds, 75 for the overnight low or morning low, and then 84 tomorrow afternoon with some hit or miss showers possible. You do see rain chances staying high all the way through Friday with highs mid to upper 80s. Rain chances do go down into next week and the following week, but temperatures stay up in those 80s.